on. It's very cool.
Yes, it's gone very well. But today we're here to talk about SunTurf.
SunTurf. So here's the product overview.
Yeah, so with this product overview, if you're counting those bubbles there, you will count 11 major components to the SunTurf.
You can see here we've got the ground screw going in. Pipe connection with 3 set screws. There's your T-cap. Your horizontal pipe with the clamshell clasp, also self-bonding. This complete system is self-bonding, including that structural splice you see there for your horizontal pipe. Connecting the rail with a pipe clamp kit. Here comes your bracing with your pipe clamp kits. That's the north to south bracing. Here's your corner bracing for 45. Landscape orientation, get your clamps in place, modules locked down. Very standard configuration for a 4 landscape. Then you can get into the portrait orientation with a 2 portrait with our shared rail adapters. I think that's an excellent video, Roland.
Yes, and with this video, we decided that we would create it because we were doing webinars for individual installers who wanted to ask a lot of questions about how to install this system. And once they saw how easy it was, they said, wow, we could have done this on our own. And we said, yes, but we needed to create a tool that would give you a visual of how simple this system is to put together. So here. Using an